Hello, I'm David Gerard and this is Pivot to AI. Today, the UK government is still flat out of ideas and it's still convinced AI is the magical fix-all for bureaucracy. And by AI, it means ChatGPT it buys in from Microsoft. The Chancellor, Rachel Reeves, plans to fire 10,000 civil servants by the end of this Parliament, so that'll be 2029 at latest, the next 4 years. Reeves told the BBC that advances in technology and artificial intelligence would surely make this possible, let alone sensible. The government started banding around the number £45 billion as their planned saving, a number that looked pulled out of thin air for the State of Digital Government review in January. The Department for Science, Innovation and Technology, DSIT, headed by Peter Kyle MP, thinks all routine tasks can be done by AI, whatever routine is. I'm sure the details of the individual jobs don't matter, right? Politico extracted information from the UK government on this with freedom of information requests. DSIT wouldn't give Politico details of its full model because it was highly complex, and answering the freedom of information request would exceed cost and resource limits, which sounds a bit like they don't understand it either. But they're working on a releasable version, so that's nice. Science Select Committee Chair Shion Wira wrote to Mr. Kyle in April, asking for a full breakdown of this alleged £45 billion in savings. DSIT released a methodology note. Despite the Chancellor saying they could just do everything in 4 years, the note says, the benefits outlined in this analysis do not have a specific time frame for realization. The analysis solely considers the routine nature of tasks and does not assess the current feasibility of automating them using existing AI capabilities. So they're not even sure they can even do this. How did they assess how routine the tasks were? Using a large language model, we matched each job title from the public sector organogram data to the nearest corresponding job role within the ISCO framework. So they ran the bare job titles through GPT without looking at any of the details of the actual jobs, and then they got the chatbot to guess what those titles would have meant. Then they decided the chatbot could do the jobs, probably, maybe, because they were already using the chatbot to do their job. Remember, the original Tony Blair Institute reports that pushed chatbots on the UK, the starter's pistol for all this nonsense, were literally based on numbers the researchers pulled out of GPT-4. The reports proudly admit this. It's not even a secret. This whole push is based on straight-up data fraud. For some reason, this is not in every headline about UK government AI nonsense. Peter Kyle has proudly declared previously that ChatGPT is his favourite source of advice in his ministerial job. Which is nuts, yes. DSIT admits this report was also all in on the chatbots. So, in the future, we should expect more official UK government reports to use numbers actually pulled out of ChatGPT's backside. Isn't life here in the future amazing? Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Please like and subscribe, leave a podcast review, and tell one other person about this episode. Throw a few dollars at the Patreon to support this work. Link in the show notes. Thank you all, and bye for now.